The laser point creator allows you to specify points in the model and then export those out to a CSV. To demonstrate this, we'll go to Standard Tools. We're going to come down here to Laser Point Creator. This dialog box comes up. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to select an item on the screen. So there you can select it and you can now see the box. This is the actual piece of duct. Now what I want to do is I'm going to create new, and I'm just going to call this duct. I'm going to add this group. So there it is, the duct. And now I want to start adding points. So up here, I can start creating, say, snap to endpoint. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to snap. You can see the coordinate there. So I'm going to go add it to the list. And then in the background, you can see this point appearing, and we can control the size of that point if we wanted to. I'm going to go ahead and add in a couple more here. So let's go add. Let's create this one. We'll go add. And we'll create that one, and we'll go add. Now, when we're all done with this, we can go ahead and just go export this out, and we can export this out to a CSV. I'll just say yes here, or save, and we'll go close out of this now. And as you can see, these points stay in here, and they're now a new entity in the model itself.